Hello everyone, and welcome back. I rented a jackhammer because I had some concrete I had to get chipped out back where the guest house is going. I'm not sure if you're watching this series or if you just watched the Farmhouse one, but this is on the series called The Guest House. I had those two spots that I needed to get chipped out so I can dig footings. And I decided to bring it in here and see how it does at chipping these cement curbs out of here. And I thought, you know what, this is a perfect opportunity to get some people off my back because at least I'm doing some of them. I don't have the thing long enough to do everything on this side of the building and the back side, but it's nice to see that it does chip it up pretty good. Those things get heavy after a while. It's not so much going down, it's picking them back up again. But it is going pretty good. Might as well get on this one, see what happens. Lucky for me, it's time for Melissa to call me on her way home from work. I get a 38-minute break. Okay guys, break time is over. 5:30. Let's get this one out of here too. This is the one I'm kind of looking forward to because it'll be easier with the fire, even though if they get that wood boiler put in, which they're supposed to do on the 24th of this month, this room will already have heat, but I still want to burn this one. Just keep that one, keep it up around 40 in here. And when you sit here in a chair, there's just no way to do it, you know. So let's get this one taken out. Well, it's all chipped up. I can't get exactly underneath the workbench, but I don't care about that. Wow, you know that thing weighs 90 pounds, the head unit does. I don't feel like much when you're pulling it out of the truck, but I bet it's going to feel a lot heavier when I put it back in the truck. By the time you get to the end, you're like, ah, you know, at first it went pretty good. Sent a picture to my dad and he goes, what a mess. I bet that was loud, but it's going to be nice. Okay, everyone. Well, thanks a lot for watching. I'm just making this one video because everybody's wanted to see this. I'm drinking 3 beers tonight. I will see you guys on the next video.